Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, this is Azzuddin, and in this video I'm going to explain how to use the control panel of the website The Science Lab. Here I will write the password of the admin, and here are the three games of the website: the choose game, the right or wrong game, the complete game. I will enter the choose game, and here I find the grades. I will choose first preparatory, unit 1. Until now there are no questions. To add a question, I click on this green button right over here, add. Here I write the question. Of course, without any numbers or symbols like A, B, C, D, no. I just write the question and the four answers down here: first answer, second answer, third answer, and fourth answer without any letters. The website manages all of that. First answer, second answer, third answer, and fourth answer. And down here I write the number of the right answer. For example, if the third answer is the right one, I write 3 and I click submit. Added successfully. Now I continue and go on uploading questions. I write the question here, the four answers, the number of the right answer, and click submit. Now when I go back, and of course I go back from the links down here, I click either go back or main page to go to the main page of the website. I do not, for example, use the back button in the browser at the top here because it may cause some problems and resubmit the question just uploaded, so no, just go back from the links down here. If I go to first preparatory second term unit 1, I find an uploaded question here. Question, the four answers, and the right answer in green. If for any reason I want to delete this question, I click on the wrong button in the right, and it's deleted. Now I go back. The second game, right or wrong. I will go again to first preparatory second term, unit 1. Now I click add, and here I type my question. Now if the sentence is right, I click on right here. If it is wrong, I click on wrong. Here I will click on right and click submit. Added successfully. And after typing the questions, if I go back here, go to first preparatory unit 1, I find my question here. Now if the question is right, it will show me the question in green color. If it's wrong, it will be in red color. And to delete it, I can click on this wrong button right over here. And from this link at the top that says back, I can go back. And the third game complete. Now let me, for example, enter second preparatory unit 1. Again, there are no questions here. To add a question, I click on the green add button. Now it goes on as follows. For every space here in the question, there are two answers here in the answers field. This is because when the student answers the questions and fills in the spaces, there are some words at the top to write from. So when there are some right answers and some wrong answers, it becomes a little bit challenging, more than if all the answers were to be put in spaces. So for example, if I write question 1 space, here the answer should be answer 1. I can write answer 1, comma, answer 2. So here answer 1 is right, answer 2 is wrong, and I click submit. Added successfully. Now the second question, for example, let me write animals don't have space, and of course for space I will type dots, not spaces. Less than 3 dots won't be counted as a space in the question, more than 3 is enough. Now here, animals don't have space. For the right answer I can write, for example, wings. For the wrong answer I can type legs. So both will appear at the top, but if the student chooses legs, it will be wrong. If he chooses wings, it will be right, and I click submit. And by the way, I can type more than one space. For example, question 2, but question 3, and here let's say for example the answer for question 2 here is answer 2. I type a wrong answer, answer 54. Question 3 is for example answer 3, and the wrong answer is nothing. Added successfully. Now if I go back from the link down here, second preparatory, unit 1, I find all the answers and questions I uploaded. The right answer in green, while the wrong one in red. And to delete it, I can click on the wrong sign here. I will go back. And another thing I wanna talk about here is the approval zone. Now, if I go in any of these 3 games, for example, choose, and I click on that yellow button, approve, and by the way, this yellow button only appears when you are an admin, when you enter by the admin password. So if you enter as a member, this button will not appear. Now let me click on it, and I find all the questions uploaded to the website needing approval. Those are the questions uploaded by the members, not the admins. A member cannot upload a question directly to the website, but it rather should be approved by an admin. So here we have in grade 4 first term, in concept 1.4, a question here needing approval. This is the question, these are the answers, the right answer in green. To approve it, I can click on approve here, and to delete the question and not approve it, I can click on the wrong sign here. The same for the other questions and the other games. For example, if I go to right or wrong, approve, here I find the questions needing approval. In third preparatory second term, unit 1, there are 2 questions needing approval. One is a right question, the other is a wrong question. So the answer to this question should be right. If I want to accept it, I can click on this right sign here. To delete it, I can click on this wrong sign here. This is a wrong question, its answer should be wrong, so it's in red. To accept it, I click on this right here, and to delete it, I click on this wrong sign here. No questions need approval. So this was how to use the Science Lab control panel. Thanks for watching, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.